When we're facing. Oh, actually, yeah.
Alright, bet. Oh, hold on.
Okay, yeah, lit. We are in the hood right now. The hood, like,
we've never been in the hood before.
yeah,
bro.
never been in the hood. Never even touched the hood. You know what I'm saying? I'm from the suburbs.
Oh,
shit, it's crazy. I didn't want to touch it. Anyway, we about to eat some chicken out here, and we're gonna show you how hood it is.
Ambassador's chicken, bro.
Yeah, we out here, bro.
Am I catching that in frame?
You're good. You're good. See, the light over here sucks, but yeah, we got here some Ambassador's chicken. We got our order coming up. That's how you know it's good. We got people over here busting through this shit because you know you got problems.
And on the door it says flavor wings.
Yeah, it literally. Show that sign over there. That shit says hello. It says.
I don't think I could. Look at that flavoring on
Our
those
exclusive
wings.
collection of 10 enchanting wings. I go in and the guy says, they ain't got no flavors. I'm like, you ain't got no flavors? That's it. That's the whole story. That's it. 69. 69, dog. You know it's real when you're 69. We 69 over here. Oh, we should not.
Huh? What is that?
That means that they're just amount of operators. That doesn't mean that they have a grade. You know how you get an A or B.
Chill, bro.
Which probably.
People be thinking they light skinned, bro.
But it takes a real light skin to show you you're not light skinned. That just means.
You a hater, bro.
This is part of the diet.
Yeah, this is part of the diet, even though we just went to the gym today. But you know, some type of people can't resist chicken.
Light skins.
But nah, people really be chopped, bro.
I know, right? People really do be chopped.
People really be chopped. Like, I really, like...
People really be chopped cheese over here.
People really be chopped. Like, look at my eyes, though. Like, what? Like, that's real light skin stuff, bro.
See this? Thought they would bury the sweet of the juice, you know? How they say it, you know?
I like that. I like that.
Yeah, like...
Get that out my face.
See, colorist, dog. You don't gonna catch it. Y'all gonna catch that shit.
Get that out my face.
She colorist, yo.
Everybody tell them to slow down in the comments, bro. It's kind of getting crowded.
What? Somebody about to be here for you?
Bro, they find it fresh, bro. Would you rather have it fresh or stale? Yeah, you're right. If you're greedy, just say that though.
I'm greedy, nigga.
You real. You real, bro. No, you not real. You not real. You not real. Now anybody think they causing that? I'm starting to see a pattern in here.
Yeah, of course. You wouldn't be seeing the pattern in fucking Mountie. You go for Trump, y'all.
Alright, now you out. Everybody will be light skinned these days.
Why I gotta be light skinned if it's...
Nah, why you doing that face though?
It's that colorist shit that she's talking about.
My dread's kind of lame.
She didn't get that read twist.
Look at him. Somebody tell him to sit down, please. Thank you.
Sure.
We finna eat it. Hold on.
Not everybody has a short.
Cause you know I'm 6.
Pull it up, just tilt it up.
You know I'm 6 foot.
See, look how dirty my car is. See, I'm saving niggas' life out here. Yeah, put it like right.
Bro, it's the back.
Okay.
Let's put it on top of the car.
Okay. Kill this shit twice.
Can you hurry up and take the lights out?
You only have to do one mic, cause that's all. I don't know why you got that shit high as hell like this.
Alright, let me put it down.
Sorry, I ran away. But this little munchkin ass nigga. Why does this shit look like this? You ain't no damn chicken tenders. You give me a whole fucking side of chicken. That's yours. This shit is hot as motherfucking hot.
How hot?
Hey,
fries is decent. Let me try some of that tender, bro.
That shit is hot as hell.
Ooh, that joint is hot.
They just gave us tartar sauce and ketchup. I'm gonna make it work though.
You want, bro?
I need something to dip this shit in.
That joint juicy and good.
That's what she said.
Mm.
Not even ketchup. It was hot sauce and tartar sauce. Let me see what this is hitting for.
Nah, that tender hitting.
Oh. Alright.
Now, I know I look a little right here. It's because there's a really deep hole right here that I'm in. Right? I'm going to take that as a yes. Let's see what this chicken hitting on. I should have got them tenders. Them tenders good.
Woo! That shit was hot as hell. Damn, shorty, yeah, babe. It's a little boo thing.
I feel like I'm about to get shot at any moment.
Oh, yeah. Why people gotta be shooting out here?
Just because of the economic system over here.
What you think about the fries?
Fries mid.
Mid.
It's good. It's good fries though. It's like if you want some fried chicken.
This is the.
I'm going at 5%.
This is the if you
We might
drunk.
have to head in the car.
Huh?
We might have to head in the car.
I mean, we did a review.
Right.
Let me try the wing real quick.
You know what I'm saying? This was a quick little review. I'm gonna put this out. I'm not really gonna edit it.
Yeah, we can just leave it the way it is.
It's gonna be a filter because I'm gonna be editing the other videos.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
A little filler episode for y'all.
Little filler?
Yep, this how we feeling after doing 2 videos in one day.
You getting chicken in the hood?
Yep. I'm putting in the title gunshots go. Let's not do that. But yeah.
I give this shit a C.
I give it a C+. Like, you know, it was just chicken.
I wonder if the mic shit is draining your battery.
My phone was already dying.
Oh. I'm gonna see.
But yeah.
Definitely have better lemon pepper.
Who is that?
We'll find out. Raising them bitches in the head. Thanks for tuning in. We out here.
Yes, sir. Little filler episode.
Be cute.
You look good. Don't let this old man near your kid. Now that sounded
Hey, yo.
Alright, don't let him near your daughter, bro. Don't let him near your daughter. Chill, bro. You're gonna start acting unusual. What you about to Look at him, bro.
Oh, this is getting windy.
Oh, no, yeah. Not my fries. Yeah, this is our last meal we ever eaten as bad. We already went to the gym today. I know it's going to make no sense eating chicken, but
We just talk about this shit.
we're about to head inside the car. It's getting windy.
That's it for me.
But
And that's it for you. Tune in next time for the next mukbang.
the next mukbang, we're trying snacks from Target. Peace.
Later.